Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Tech Gamers World. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily install a carry case on your Chromebook. So before we do that, if you could click that like button and subscribe to Tech Gamers World, I'm always going to have new and exciting content dropping all the time from the world of technology and video games. So with that said, let's get to it. So this is an HP branded Chromebook, and it is an 11.6-inch model, so it's one of the smaller ones. This is a UZBL carrying case for a Chromebook. As you can see, it is about roughly a little larger than the Chromebook itself. So let's talk a little bit about Chromebooks and carry cases. So Chromebooks are awesome. They're a very budget-friendly laptop that's meant for day-to-day use for things like creating documents, presentations, spreadsheets, meetings. Kids use them in school, majority these days. And because of their very low price point, schools can get a lot of them for really cheap. So why do you want a carry case? Well, if you are on the move with the laptop, slash Chromebook, which 99% of the use case is on the move for a laptop, you want to have a carry case because, what happens if you drop this thing? We all know what's going to happen. It's going to crack, the screen's going to break, something's going to go wrong. So having a carry case will help protect the Chromebook, especially if you're a kid who's in school, who's throwing it in his backpack, his or her backpack, throwing it in their locker, dropping it. It falls off their desk. They throw it on the floor when they're eating lunch. They bring it outside. It goes on the school bus. Take your pick. So a carry case will be immensely valuable for a kid's Chromebook. This happens to be my kid's Chromebook for school, so I'm giving him a new carry case for it. So let's real quick here, we'll just go ahead and take a look at the UZBL carry case here. So as you can see, it's pretty nothing crazy, just your standard heavy duty plastic vinyl-ish carry case here. We've got the stretchable fabric on the front here and a pouch to be able to put stuff in, pencils, pens, your phone, all the stuff that you need on the daily basis. The backside here has a ID card slot so that you can put your name, phone number, email, anything important in it in case this ever gets lost. Now, what I like about this carry case is that it has these straps here. You can add a harness so you can carry it on your shoulder. And it's got the dual zippers here, so you can actually put a little padlock in between here to secure your Chromebook while on the move with it. Let's go ahead here and open it up. See what the inside looks like here. So nothing too crazy. We've got the strap and the shoulder harness here. Just obviously you connect these right here on each one, just like that. And then you put the other one on the other side, and you've got the shoulder harness to carry it wherever you go. Now I'm going to put that off to the side here. So on the inside, what do we see here? We've got the nice padded ear protection. We've got the secure straps on the bottom, the top here, and then we've got these things. So these things are what hold the screen so that when you flip it open, it pulls your Chromebook open with it, which is really cool. So let's go ahead now and install the Chromebook. So before we do that, you need to make sure that before you purchase one of these, you measure your Chromebook, know how big it is, and make sure that the one you're buying will fit the Chromebook. You don't want to have your Chromebook be too big because then it won't fit. So here is our Chromebook. Now, there are two ways to install this Chromebook inside of the case. You can slide it through this, and on 99% of the uses, this will not cover any of the keys. Sometimes it does on some Chromebooks, so you don't necessarily need to use this little strap here. These will hold the Chromebook in along with these just as well. But for purposes of this video, I'm going to use the strap here. So let's go ahead and put it in just like that. Just gently slide it down here, just like that. When you get down to here, you want to go ahead and install these over the top of the Chromebook and then keep pulling the Chromebook all the way down until it's nice and secure. Now see what I was saying about that strap? That strap might get annoying on some Chromebooks. For me, it will, because you can see in its native spot, it covers the keys. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out and put the strap off and not use it, because I don't want the Chromebook keys being covered all the time. That'll just get annoying. So let's go ahead here and slide this back out. And very simply, we're going to put it in without using that strap, because that strap is really not needed. So there we go. We've got the Chromebook back in position. Now, what you want to do is go ahead and take these straps right behind here, 2 of them, and you're going to go ahead and stretch them out a little. As you can see, they flex. So we're going to go ahead here and hook them on to the top of the Chromebook screen. Now you'll see here that you want to do this carefully so that it is hooked on just like so. And if you look down in here, you'll see that the wires, the fabric, the straps here are connected to the back of the carry case. Same on both sides. Now, when you install these, you want to make sure you do this gently. Don't push on the screen. Make sure that these plastic pieces are not pushing on the screen or in any way doing any damage to the Chromebook. So now that we have that done, when we close the case and zip it up, just like so, we are ready to carry our Chromebook. And what's great is when you open the case up, you put it down, pull the case up, you are ready to work. Your Chromebook is ready to be used. Do your thing, close her up, zip it up, and you are ready to go, just like that. Super easy. So this is, again, the UZBL Carry Case. I got this from Amazon. I will put a link to the carry case in the description of this video. It's definitely an awesome carry case with a very nice price point for a standard 11 to 11.6 inch Chromebook. So I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I'll show you again here one more time as we open it up. If anyone has any questions or comments or needs some recommendations for a Chromebook or a carry case, please drop that comment down below and I will do my best to help you out and get it answered. If you could click that like button and subscribe to Tech Gamers World. Again, we're always going to have new and exciting content dropping all the time. Thanks a lot, everyone, and I will see you around. Have a good one.